jobs are going to be replaced by AI. Is it the end of the world? Hello everybody, my name is John Dornoff. It's a dawn of a better life for you, your career, and your business. I'm here to help you grow. On Mondays we talk about personal growth. On Wednesdays we talk about career growth. And on Fridays we talk about business growth. And today we're talking about jobs being replaced by AI. Now, of course, recent events has, put this on the back burner, but it wasn't that long ago. Everybody was talking about how the jobs were going to be replaced by AI, artificial intelligence. They're going to take all the jobs and there's going to be no jobs left. However, if you look at history over the years, jobs have been replaced by automation and computers over the years. And guess what? New jobs have been created. Recently, I was doing I was a speaker, and I was actually talking about historic preservation. And I was talking about an area, a community near where I went to high school. It's a historic district. 3 of the homes in the district were featured in the movie Back to the Future. But I was looking at the history of this historic district, who lived there before, you couldn't afford to live there because now the homes are in the millions of dollars. And it was interesting, seeing some of the jobs that these people had that no longer existed. Let's give a few examples of jobs that have gone away. There used to be a job called a knocker-upper. Now I know in these days, a similar, word has a whole different connotation. But what a knocker-upper did was actually in the days before alarm clocks, they would go around and knock on your windows to wake you up. That's right. That was an actual job. And this job lasted until the 1950s. But the job went away. They were replaced by alarm clocks. Another job that went away is the telephone operator. Telephone companies used to have to employ hundreds of employees who would, take a call from one person A and they would put a wire into one cable and into one hole, and then another wire in another hole, and that's how it connected the phone call. They even had operators within buildings, big buildings. But of course, phone operators have gone away. Another job that went away with, more modern technology, elevator operators. Elevators, when they first started out, were manually operated. So like department stores or big office buildings, they would have somebody that manually operated the elevators for you. And even once, more modern technology came along, they still kept those operators for a while. But of course, those jobs went away. Looking at the office jobs, typist. Companies used to employ hundreds of typists. Did nothing but all day but type. But of course, with more modern technology, those jobs went away. Can you think of other jobs that have gone away over the years? Now, I've done research, but this included Good Housekeeping, Business Insider, where I got some of these job listings. But all these jobs have faded away. But what does that say? Well, those jobs went away, but new jobs were created in their path. And when more AI comes online, more automation, guess what? Other new jobs are going to be created. Because guess what? Automation's going to need to have people maintain it. There's going to be jobs that automation cannot do. So yes, if you're in one of these jobs that could be replaced by AI, you want to do what you can to train out of those jobs into something that's going to have a long-term future. I mean, we're seeing some jobs disappear now. Like, one of the highly publicized ones, McDonald's replacing their workers with, screens at the front of the building where they take their orders. Of course, those, things didn't do too well when, the current coronavirus, when everything was drive-through. They still needed their employees. But they did reduce the number of employees they have. Those are largely entry-level employees. So those employees needed to find other opportunities. So yes, automation is something you want to be, thinking about. How easy would your position be, to replace? And what opportunities will be created that, you could have, new job, new training to create a new opportunity for you. Question of the day is, can you name some positions today that you will see replaced by automation, and what could be done? What other opportunities will there be created? I hope you like this video. Remember, we post every Wednesday on career growth. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time.